All right, how do I send photos on this Android tablet? The steps for sending photos will slightly depend on the app you're using, although on most apps the process is very similar. I'll use the standard Messages app for this since that's what most people will use. First, I'll open Messages. I have it on the home screen ready for quick access, but if you don't have it here, you can swipe up to reveal the app drawer and then locate the Messages app from there. Once I'm in Messages, on the left I'll pick the conversation where I want to send my messages, or start a new conversation if needed. Next to the text field where you'd type your message, there's a few buttons on the right side. On the far right, you'll see a little image icon with a paperclip. That's what you'd use to add a photo attachment to your message. When I tap it, I can either choose to upload a photo from my device or I can use Photos. Photos is a little misleading here, but it refers to Google's own Photos app. If you're using that app and have photos stored in the cloud, you could use that option to browse and choose the photos you'd like to send. But I think for most users, this is not the ideal way to send photos. I don't have anything in my Google Photos. I'm going to tap the X to exit and then use the other option, uploading directly from my device. This allows me to browse all the photos that I have saved on my tablet. There's a list of recent photos that I've saved, or on the top of my screen, I can go to a specific folder to pick photos. I like to use the Gallery app for managing my photos, so I'll tap that. Then I can browse my photo gallery and everything that's in it. I can tap to choose photos, and I can even choose multiple photos to be sent out at once. I'll tap Done, and the photos I chose will get attached to my message. Then I can send this out without any text, or I can add a message to go with it. And that's it. Send it out and your friend will get the photos straight into their Messages app. Most apps will handle this the same way. Here's how you do this via email. I'm using the Gmail app to demonstrate this. Start a new email or reply to an existing thread. Tap the attachment button on the top of your screen and choose Photos. You'll see all the photos saved on your tablet, and you can choose which ones you want to attach to your message. Then just send the email when you're ready, nice and easy. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.